Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim with Kim's Inspired Life. Guys, I'm so excited. I received my box from Norma Lisa, the Florida Misfit crafter, in the swap we were paired up with, hosted by Elsa at Elsa the Bargain Hunting Crafter and Isabel Crafting with Isabel. So thank you ladies for hosting this wonderful swap and pairing me with Norma Lisa. And this was the hashtag mini challenge 2022 swap. And Norma Lisa has already received the box that I sent her, so I'll put the link to her video down below so you can go over and see what I sent her. Oh my gosh, Norma Lisa, I'm so excited. Look at Norma Lisa's stickers, handmade with love by the Misfit Florida crafter, and her cute little Bitmoji. Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. I'm gonna have to steal that idea. And look, she put it on this one as well. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? As part of the swap, we were supposed to create a mini flip tag and some mini ATCs, 3x3 cards and envelopes and some Twinchies. And so let's see what she has created. So Norma Lisa and I talked about it ahead of time and decided that we were going to go with one theme of paper, whatever theme each of us decided we wanted to go with. And I love this paper that she used, the Say Cheese paper. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. And look at how she layered this all up. Let me take this out of the package. Everything is packaged so beautifully. Hello, sweet Kim. I hope that you like what I created for you. Yeah, I'm sure I will. I had a super fun time, and thank you so much for being my swap partner. Lots of love, Norma Lisa, hashtag mini22. Look at this card. It's just so layered up. Thank you so much. And she left it blank, and she put her sticker on the back. Oh, I can give that, but yeah, I don't know if I would be doing that. And then, oh, look at this sachet. How pretty. All right, let's open up this one first. It has kind of a little jingle to it. Tissue paper is so pretty. I'm definitely going to be using it again. Ooh, and she sent me several layers of it. Nice. Oh my gosh. So if you know Norma Lisa, you know that she can make a tassel. Look at this. She takes part in the Tassel Tuesdays, I believe it is, hosted by Creating with Jovi. And oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this beautiful, beautiful tassel. All of these ribbons. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe this. Look at all these colors she used. This is just gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's so thick, guys. Oh my gosh, I can barely wrap my hand around it. And this beautiful red bow. And then look at this dangle that she created. Oh my gosh, look at that bow. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. My favorites, all my favorites. And then look at this little ice cream on here. Oh, Norma Lisa, you are too much, girl. Let's see what's in this package. It's the flip tag. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so cute. So we had to create a mini flip tag, and we had to include at least 5 tags. Yeah, she did that, minimally 5. Look at this. This is so fun. I love this. I just love these colors. It's just so cute. The black and white polka dots. Oh my gosh, how fun. Oh, he is so cute with that mini rosette behind him. Ooh, this is an envelope. Ooh, let's see what's in here, guys. Oh, some cool. Ooh, look at these puffy stickers. Big smiles. Oh, look at Minnie's bow. Make a wish. Oh my gosh, I've never had these puffy stickers that go along with this paper. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, Norma Lisa, thank you so much for using this. I just love the colors, and it's, of course, it's Disney. Oh, I love that you use, now this is an oval tag. That is really cute. And all of these, if you can tell, all of these are propped up. All the little ephemeras propped up on there. She's so sweet. Look at that. Say Cheese. That's the name of the collection, Say Cheese. And look at, he's holding that little balloon, and she put the puffy sticker there. I love that gold that you used. Is this another envelope? Oh, I love these little envelopes you made. Oh my gosh. You know I love little envelopes. And then what's in here? Oh, look at all this stickers. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. M for Mickey. And she gifted me with all these little cute little kids. Oh, thank you, Norma Lisa. Oh, look at the, I have grandchildren. So all of these little boys and girls, I have all kinds of little fun cards and things. I can make them. And I love this collection. Oh, thank you. Look at he's holding a hot dog and ice cream. That's, yeah, that's my grandson. How adorable she is. Oh, thank you. Okay. On to the next one. Oh, here's my Zoe with her red hair and her cool glasses. And then this puffy sticker is so cute. I just love this collection. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for sharing this collection with me. Yay, and another rosette. How cute is that? And then another envelope. So every other tag is an envelope stuffed with goodies. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this. Oh, how cute. More stickers, all smiles. Oops. Oh, she's so cute. What a blast. We just went to Disneyland last month, and then we're going to be going again, I'm sure. Probably in the summer, probably like June or July. Oh, how cute. Meet and greet. So I can definitely... Oh, look at she's holding a little ice cream. The wait is how long? Yippee, we're here. Oh, how fun. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at how cute she is with a little ice cream and that little puffy popcorn pack. I just love that. I love that you use this oval die cut and you did it that way. Look at that paper behind there. Say cheese, believe, dream. This paper is just gorgeous. I love these colors. Imagine, believe. He's so cute, propped up on that rosette. Oh my gosh, another envelope. I just have a pile going over here of all this goodness. Look at her, she's so cute. These kids are so cute. Oh, Norma Lisa, how did you part with this? But thank you. They're so adorable. I am just going to enjoy crafting with these so much and using them. He's so cool right there with his glasses. Oh my gosh. And so magical. She looks like she's on a ride at Disneyland. Let's see what's in here. Oh, look at these bottle caps. Happy kids. Love this place. These are so cool. He's so cute holding his pretzel with his little Mickey drink right there. Oh my gosh. Norma Lisa, this is so cute. And I love this fuzzy little trim I have. I just got some of this actually from the Magical Mixery. It's so soft. Oh, look at this beautiful flip tag. It's so gorgeous. Thank you so much. And all of the puffy stickers and all of the ephemera that was included in it, I am just going to enjoy using. This was so gorgeous. Okay, guys, let's see what's in this. Oh my gosh. Norma Lisa, are you kidding me? I was just thinking, now everything was supposed to be mini, so what could she have made me that was so big? This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, guys, look. Oh my gosh, I love these bows. Look at this belly band. Oh my gosh, it's fabric. And then she put it, and then there's a snap on it. That is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, all this fun ephemera. Oh, it's a file folder. Ooh, cute. It's a file folder. Okay, let's undo this and see what's going on in here. I just love this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys, look. What? What? Ah! Oh my gosh, I can't, okay, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, look at it. This is so cool. Oh, Norma Lisa. I'm sorry for that shadow, guys. I just cannot seem to get the lighting right. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Look at these two bows she made from that adorable paper. I love that. So it's kind of like a file folder of embellishments, right? And then, so all of the other things are tucked in here that we were supposed to make, right? Look at this acetate little like wallet. Oh my gosh. So these are little brads that she used. Oh my gosh. How cute. Okay, let me take this apart. Look at this little acetate wallet. How adorable is this? Okay, there's a belly band. Look at you. Look at you. Oh my gosh, Norma Lisa. Okay, so we were supposed to make 3 cards and 3 envelopes. So she made this acetate envelope, which I love, with the belly band. And then she put the 3 by 3 cards that we were supposed to make in here. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. This paper behind here. Oh, everything, every detail is just so cute. Look at the second envelope. How can I even use these and give these away? These are way too cute. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Adorable. And then best place in the whole world. And she backed these up on black paper and then fussy cut around them. I can see that. And then the puffy stickers. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. Thank you so much. Okay, so then the next thing we were supposed to do is we were supposed to make ATC coins. So it looks like that's what's right there, these 3 ATC coins. And then Twinchies, 3 Twinchies, that's what's right there. And then 3 ATC cards, which are right there. Oh my gosh, those are so adorable. Guys, this is really sturdy and really heavy. This is amazing. All of these are in like the 9 pocket that you make a pocket letter out of. And then she used brads again to put them, to secure them onto the file folder. What a great idea. Let's look at these coins that she made. Look at this first one. Love that you use that red glitter as the background. And these are really thick, guys. Go, see, ride, repeat. And then the gold glitter in the back with that cute little girl. And then this ATC coin is so cute with the black in the background. Smiles from ear to ear. Fun little coffee cup. Adorable. Absolutely adorable. And then we needed to make 3 Twinchies, and her Twinchies are nice and thick too. She used that paper to back them up. Look at that Oh Happy Day banner. So adorable. Oh, look at this. How cute is this? I just love this paper. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. And the ephemera, everything just goes together so beautifully. Magic. Isn't that adorable? Oh, you are so good. Okay, let's look over at this side. And here are 2 more. Oh my gosh. Now I have 4. Oh, that is so cute. I love bows. As part of the mini challenge, it looks like Norma Lisa made 3 mini ATCs. Oh my gosh, how cute these are. This paper, the colors, just so fantastic. And Norma Lisa really made them nice and thick. And here's the next one, Happy. And look at that, these puffy stickers, this paper. I love the way you just put everything so nicely. Look at this one. Let's chat. I'm all ears. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. These puffy stickers and this paper are just adorable. And then on the other side, there's another little pocket with the brads. So let me take the brads out. She made another little acetate envelope with another little belly band on here. Look at how adorable that is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see what's in here. 3 more cards. Oh, so she made me 6 cards. Aw, thank you. Look at this. I love this black glitter paper. And she just layered everything so nicely. And then such a cute envelope. And here's the next one. Hello. Hey there. Love the layering. Oh, you did such a fantastic job. This, and then look at that envelope. Here's the last one. Oh, this is so fun. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe how fun this is. This is so great. I just have to make one of these acetate envelopes. These are just so cute. With a belly band and everything, girl. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Norma Lisa, you did a fantastic job, girl. This embellishment envelope is absolutely amazing. Everything that you created is just so wonderful. The cut-aparts and embellishments and bottle caps and everything that you gifted me with, I'm just over the top happy. Thank you so much. You are just so sweet. I've been blessed to have you as my swap partner. You are not already following Norma Lisa's channel. I'm going to put the link to her channel in the description box below. Go over and say hello and be inspired by her. You will love her wonderful personality. She is absolutely the sweetest and so creative. Oh my gosh, obviously. Thank you, Elsa, and thank you, Isabel, for hosting #Mini Challenge 2022. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.